Welcome back, everybody. Today, we're going to take a look at a few different areas. Water's Edge, what you see on the screen. Quick look. They are starting this area up. You can see the rec center there. So this is the mail and postage, waterfront, rec center right here. And then we're going to take a look at Eastport up close, the downtown area. We're also going to get a look at Shady Brook a little later in the video. Here we go with downtown Eastport. We're going to take a look at several different things. You have a lot of things going on down here. They are building like crazy. The Olympia Rec Center is under construction. As you can see right there, it's a big building with the big roof on it. And then you also have the live entertainment stage right here. We're going to fly right over it and down the road. Shopping and dining. We're driving or flying. We're not driving. Right between all that shopping and dining area. And this is down that main road that comes right in to Eastport. And then heads over into that area we just looked at, that housing area, and down into Shady Brook and those type of areas. This is those stairs that come out of the water. There's a sports pool over here. There's quite a few things. Basketball courts, you have sand courts, tennis courts, pickleball, multi-purpose field, shuffleboard, bocce ball, platform tennis. They're planning on having future commercial in here. This is the Farragut softball complex here, 4 fields. And you can see the building in the middle that they are constructing as well. And then Central Lake, which kind of looks funny if you look at it from the top. Similar to the shape of their pools. I don't know if anybody's caught on to that yet, but whatever. Now we're flying over the Hotel Eastport site. You can see all the parking areas and the building here. Similar to Lake Sumter, how they have the hotel right on the water. Central Lake Driving Range. This is just south of Hotel Eastport. And then over those trees, which we're going to fly over as well, you can see the Bel Air Executive Golf Course. 9 holes. That course actually looks really good. It is looking really good. They're going to have a bank in this area, of course, golf cart rental, Villages Health. Obviously not in the golf area, but I'm talking downtown Eastport. They'll have live entertainment right on the water, and then they're going to have that Sunset Island that we're going to take a closer look at as well. This is Hotel Eastport right here. Well, this is the site for it. Looking like a sandstorm blew through, but it looks good. I mean, this area is going to be amazing. As soon as it's done, this area is going to be phenomenal. And there you can see Sunset Island in the back. And there's Sunset Island there with a bridge to it. And we're going to take a closer look. We'll fly right over it here. So you'll be able to walk around Sunset Island. I think this is probably one of the most interesting pieces to Eastport downtown. And I think you'll be able to watch the live entertainment right from here because the live entertainment will be right across the water. I would assume they're going to set some speakers up over here maybe so you can hear them, or you'll probably just be able to hear them, I'm sure. It's just such a different area, I think, than the other squares. And so it makes it a little more of a draw. The sports pool is square. There's a boathouse and a dock behind us that they're going to have also. We're kind of looking at the softball fields and Sophie Doodle's dog park up here as well. The dog park is between the softball fields and the pool. You can see the pool here. It's that square piece right there. It's going to be kind of cool if those are windows to look into the pool. That would be pretty interesting, yeah? So you can see it's well underway construction. They say this is going to be done 2025. I would say it's probably going to, it'll probably be done 2025, but all the retail areas and things like that usually take a few years to fill up. So now we're looking just a quick overview of the Shady Brook area. I've done several updates in this area. But you can see a lot of homes under construction now. And it's interesting to see the area grow. Bexley Trail comes right down on the outside of Eastport. It's on the east side of the Eastport downtown area. It comes down along the southern side. So you can see on here, they renamed the Saluki Rec Center. It is now Saluki, but there's several maps on there that have it outlined as Salukis. So someone commented and corrected me that it wasn't Salukis, but I was reading it off the maps, not off the sign. The sign says Saluki. And they kind of tripped me up. I could have sworn I saw Shady Brook somewhere with an E on the end. And there is no E on the end. So I'm kind of interested to see if I can find that somewhere. I'm going to look for it. I mean, while I'm doing these videos, I'm not going to search it out. It's not that big of a deal. I just thought it would be interesting. Here's Shallow Creek Golf Course here. And you can see people are out there. We will get away from some of these nice folks. It is a great looking golf course now. It's all greened up. You can see it there. This is that southern side by Bexley Trail. You can see Bexley Trail runs along that south side there. And a lot of these houses are being built up into place as well. Starting to come together pretty quick. The weather's going to be really bad this week, so I'm not sure how much they're going to get done. It rained really bad today. We had like 3 lightning strikes on our property. Today is July 8th. This video will come out July 9th, Tuesday, July 9th. I have a feeling they will close that road in there, so you will have no access from the south side. And that's kind of what stinks about these villages being so far in, is that you have to go so far to get out of instead of hitting the main road. I understand why they do that. They'd have a turn off onto a main road like every 2 seconds, but these, I believe, are all verandas. This is that one area. There was an open house this day. There was a lot of people walking around, checking out homes. But I believe all the homes in this area are veranda homes. And this is that Shady Brook area. I did see a couple comments of people talking about taxes, and they're holding off on purchasing a home currently just because of taxes and insurance hikes. And I will tell you that our taxes and insurance jumped almost $300 a month this year. And it's expected to go up even more next year for 2025. So I'm interested to see how that works. In Marion County, they started doing impact fees again to pay for the, I believe there's 2 new or 3 new schools going in because of the population increase. A lot of industrial parks going in Marion County. And I know they're looking to do some similar things down in Sumter because of the charter school. But we'll see how that pans out. I know the interest rates also, they need to, if they want the housing market to bounce back a little bit. The Village's housing market, I've said this on other videos, hasn't been hurt. They were up 14% year over year, and they're still cruising right along. But as we all know, that can change. I mean, I don't think it's going to change in the Villages. It hasn't in probably over a decade, but we'll see how it goes. As always, thank you so much for watching. Please give us a like and a subscribe. It really helps out the channel. And as always, I will see you in the next one.